Fraction, goal, part of a whole. Well, did you know what that is? Well, I will explore with you what that is today. I'm Aissa, so let's start the video. Fractions are a product, a piece, or a part. Do you like a part? Well, a part can be like just some juice in a cup, but you just put a little bit. Like if this was a cup, and you just put this much, that's all. Of something that is larger, like the symbol on the chart. Or look at this round pizza. It can be cut in twos, or fours, or six. I don't know which one you choose. Or 8 or more, whatever best suit you. But let's say that it's cut in twos and you pick up one slice. You will just be left with one slice too. If you've got one piece out of two, it's one part two to be practiced. Next, cut the pizza into fours and take one single piece. That's 1 fourth. Now you can see how the size had been broken. So now somebody wants 1 2. 2 slices will be needed. 2 fours and 1 twos are the same. They're different ways to read it. Fraction also work with groups like twos or threes or the players, 7/8 of triangles and 1/2 of melons. Pretend you have 3 uncles and 2 came for a visit. That would mean 1 threes. Were they? That's not hard. Now it's just like that. Let's say the third one showed up to join up in the fun. And that's 1 whole of the uncles cause 3 threes equals to 1. Fractions come in handy if you ever help with the bake. You'll see them in there and ribbons for breads and cakes you're making. 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Add 2-3 cup of flour, 5/8 cup of chocolate chips, and bake for 1-2 hours. The number is the word for the biggest on the top. Like the 3 that is we lost 3/10 of this year's crop. The number underneath the slashes are denominator is icon that stays on the sound, and the number is 112. 112. Note that nearly the time of this bottom number is greater. Fractions can be used in pieces, planes, and cranes, and plants, even plants. Well, did you know they can be used in plants? Well, if you didn't, now you know. You know more than just pointing if you give them half a chance. So what is fractions? Do you know? Well, I know. It's like when you put maybe it's 4 twos or maybe 8 12s. I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget like. And did you like the place that I did it in? It's cute, and I have this that lights up. Isn't it cute? And it's fluffy too. And I have some books here. Don't you read books? Well, if you do, bye-bye.